Hello guys, welcome back to Intro Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to download and fix missing DLL file error on your Windows 11 and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing that what you have to do is I'll be providing a link in the description to this, and you have to download this file name kbd101b.dll, which will be downloaded over here. So I'll be providing link in the description, which you don't have to worry. Once it is done, you just have to click over here. You just have to click here and you just have to go for show in folder. Now what you have to do is just have to copy this. You just have to copy this and you just have to go to this PC. From here click on local disk C. From here click on Windows. From here you just have to scroll down. You have to click on System 32, and from here what you have to do is just have to paste this file over here. Go for skip this file. So once it's successfully downloaded, we have successfully completed a little bit part, and next question is all about, or the next step is all about, to register the DLL file copied. And to do this, you just have to go here in the start and you just have to type over here, and you just have to type for task manager. So you just have to click on run as administrator and you just have to go for it. And once the task manager is open in between, you just have to click on over here file, run new task. You just have to select the browse file over here, click on the browse, and from here you just have to click on system. You just have to navigate to Windows, and we are on the system 32. So from here you just have to scroll down and you have to find the file cmd. So you just have to scroll down a little bit. Okay, now we have cmd. Just right click on this and go for open, and now tick this mark and go for OK. So now we are getting a dialog box like this. The cmd box is over here, and now we have to give a few commands. So the first one is all about dsk space c/f /r, and you just have to press enter. And once it is done, you just have to press sfc /scan now, and you have to press enter. So in between, what you have to do is just have to close this, minimize this up, and once again you just have to click over here and go to task manager. And from here you just have to click on file over here, go for run to task, and once again you just have to open the cmd box. So you have to keep this hand in hand. So parallelly we are having two boxes right now. As you can see, we are having two boxes. So in the new box which is opened right now, so you have to type, I'll be giving this in the description so you don't have to worry, colon, then /windows /system 32 / in order to giving my missing DL file, which is usual process, you have to give the downloaded file, which is kbd101 dll. You just have to give this, and you have to press this up and you have to press enter. And once it is been done, so you just have to do this up. So once it's successfully done, you just have to do a normal restart, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.